So today I want to teach you another aspect of this faceless content. Okay, you guys know that I will not come out to teach you what will take you hours to create. This is one of the easiest faceless content, okay, where you have to get pictures of a story that you are telling and then match them together. They will become a video. Okay, now you see people telling stories, you don't know that they're actually telling their stories, okay, using visuals, pictures, images, videos. So I'm going to
So
show you
number
how they
one
do this
thing
kind
is,
of
first of all, get your
expo.
story. You can easily get your story with ChatGPT. Now, assuming you come across or someone told you a story, you might be hearing a background noise from my baby boy. Okay, please don't mind him. Okay, so you want to tell a story. You just come across a story, maybe a man beating his wife. You can just tell ChatGPT, please tell me a story. Tell me a story me a story. So this is what I said here. Tell me a story of an African man beating his wife. Make it captivating and emotional for my YouTube audience. Go ahead and search for it. Now look at the story. He first of all gave me a background of the story. Why domestic violence is a sensitive topic that needs awareness, storytelling around it should prioritize a constructive message. Now this is it. In a quiet African village surrounded by lush green hills. Now when you want to write it, please remove this first paragraph. I mean the first words, this first sentence here. You can just say in an African village, Umudiokunewi, that kind of thing. In African village, Oshodi, Lagos, that kind of thing. Make it look real, okay? Now you tap from their marriage, however, was a different story behind closed door. You now start writing other ones, okay? Now the way you see this story now, generate each paragraph. You have seen, okay, we are to generate African village, Oshodi. You go online, look for Oshodi, or you tell ChatGPT to generate that village. You copy this text here, select text, you copy the village, and copy it and paste it and tell ChatGPT to generate an image for you, okay, that showcases that community. So when you are done generating the image, or you can use WhatsApp. Now let me just give you an example of what I'm saying. So Kofi was a well-respected farmer known for his strength. So let me copy Kofi stuff so that I can generate it. So you go to your WhatsApp. I want to use WhatsApp and generate it. Now you type Kofi, that thing that you copied, okay? It generates an African image of Kofi. So I said something here. I said Kofi was a well-respected farmer known for his strength and stand and demeanor, okay? Now generate an African image of a man called Kofi with the above description. Do you see my prompt? You go ahead and click here. It will start generating. So now this is the image. You go ahead and remove that. Okay, download it first. Download it, okay? You see download the 3 dots here. You save it. Remember, you can use other AI image generator, okay? So you go ahead and remove this watermark, this WhatsApp watermark. I use my phone, click on edit, and then draw it this way, okay? So you save it. After saving it, you take those pictures. Remember, the story you generated, you have to create images, okay? Images of, apart from Kofi, I have Amma who is also a woman. So you see all other actors here in this story. You generate their image differently according to what they represent, okay? So now you take it to CapCut. When you reach to CapCut like this, you start working with those pictures. Import those pictures, start telling the story. This is the pictures. Let me import this one, okay? Remember, I have to generate other images. So you start telling the story. You can use your voice, screenshot the story. Let me show you. When you screenshot it this way, okay, you come to this place and do it overlay. When you overlay it this way, You now start reading it out. Go to audio, go to record sound, record. You click like this, you start reading it out. Okay, the next morning Amma walked through the village with a blah, 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 blah. You read, just read with energy, read with strength. Okay, when you are done, make sure you imagine your video according to what the story is narrating. Okay, so you save it. Okay, now you can add it what we call keyframe. You're supposed to pay for my video editing class. If you don't know how to do all these things, there are some tricks you put to it, it will look real. So when you are done recording, you delete the overlay stuff and then work on this picture so that if it is moving, if it is moving, look as if it's acting, like it's going with what you're saying. Let me put the keyframe. Click on this keyframe here. You start dragging it. Okay, start dragging it this way. You just be dragging it and be going. Okay, now you can decide to add its effect. Okay, you add some effect so that it can make sense this way. Okay, this is it. Let me show you. Okay, the next morning Amma walked through the village with a blah, 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 blah. You read, just read with energy, read with strength. Okay, when you are done, make sure you imagine your video according to. So I hope you saw what I did here. Okay, now this is the, just make sure you add all that pictures and work on them. If you don't know how to edit videos, so that you add some of these sounds. You know, there are some sounds you need to add. If you go to audio, you see effects, but it requires you to be creative enough. You add the sound that aligns with each section or each emotional this thing that the video conveys. Do you understand me? With that, you are good to go. So that's all. So if you are a good storyteller, go with this. You make money with it. You can do this on Facebook, on YouTube, and on TikTok. Yeah, see you guys.